Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about the Pristro disinfected surface floor cleaner. This amazing product comes in 5-liter bottles and is designed to kill 99% of germs including the flu virus and E. coli. And the best part, it's priced at just $4.70 on Amazon. With the Pristro disinfected surface floor cleaner, you can rest assured that your home is clean and germ free. Whether you are cleaning your bathroom, kitchen or any surface, this product will get the job done. Not only does it disinfected surface, but it also leave a fresh flower scent behind, making your home smell amazing. Plus it's super easy to use and simply spray it on the surface and wait a few minutes and wipe it clean. And here the kicker, Amazon has recently been fined of false advertisement claims about this product, so you know it's effective and trustworthy. So if you want a reliable and affordable cleaner that you will keep your home germ free, look no further than the Pristro disinfected surface floor cleaner. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. So guys, thank you, and if you want to purchase this product, then I'll share link is in description box, you can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video. Keep supporting guys.